Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a new page in WordPress. So if you want to do it, first you need to log into administrator panel of your website, and after that you need to go to pages, and here you need to click on this one option, add page. So I click on it. Then I will be able to create here a new page. So I need to type here a title. So for example, I type here traveling offer. After that, on this block I can add more text, or I can add, for example, image, paragraph, list, gallery, heading, or quote. So for example, I will add here a new image, so I click on it, and now I will be able to upload an image or select it from media library or insert it from a URL. Everything depends on your preferences, so I select here upload button. And now maybe I will add here this one image, so I select it and I click open button. After a moment it should be successfully loaded here. So now I can change settings of this image, I can add alternative text, I can change aspect ratio, I can modify width, height or resolution. For example, I can change it to medium, or I can select here full size. And now if you want, you can add another block, so I click somewhere here. And then I will be able to add here a new block, so I click on this one icon, and again I need to select here which element I want to insert. For example, I select here header, I click on heading, and I type here maybe my simple offer about traveling. Okay, so now we can save a draft, so I click on this one option. Of course, you can add here more elements if you want, and after that I click publish button. I can change visibility settings, and I can change the publish date. For example, I can select the date which I want to set as publish date. I don't want to change it and I want to publish my page now, so I click on publish button, and after a moment it should be successfully published. How you see traveling offer is now live, so we can view this page. We can copy the link to this page if you want by clicking on this one button. We can view this page, so I click on this one button, and how you see it really works. The page has been successfully created here. Of course, remember that you can add this page to menu if you want on menu settings. So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.